Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Zoom and starting or joining the meeting as the host. That gives you recording control. Once you're in, click Record immediately and pick Local or Cloud so files go where you want. Make sure participants see the recording indicator. This ensures consent and reduces interruptions. If you're not host, ask for recording permission promptly and confirm the host granted it. This first action sets the session's capture options and file destination for later use. Once recording starts, manage it actively. Use pause to skip unwanted segments and resume to continue without creating extra files. If you expect heavy editing, enable record separate audio files for each participant so you get clean tracks later. Make sure screen share, gallery, or speaker view are set before long segments. Changing views mid-recording affects the final video. Also monitor local storage or cloud quota. Running out mid-session disrupts the capture and can corrupt output. To finish, stop recording and then end the meeting so Zoom finalizes files. For local recordings, wait while Zoom converts the files before closing the app. Once done, retrieve recordings from the Cloud Recordings page or from the local Zoom folder in Documents. If a recording is missing or failed, first confirm you were host or had permission, then check available disk space or cloud quota. Addressing those two issues resolves most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.